Here are 3 Ayurvedic practices to stay calm and manage holiday stress. So, the holidays can be a joyous time, but even the fun things can push your system past its capacity, right? And stress taxes your gut, your mood, your immunity, and any symptoms already bubbling under the surface. Ayurveda offers simple remedies that fortunately travel well to help you stay healthy and centered during the season. And hey there, if you're new here, I'm Kimberly, Ayurvedic practitioner at Indra Holistic Health. I help people with stubborn digestive issues get lasting relief and feel like themselves again using personalized Ayurveda. So, here are 3 Ayurvedic practices that can make a big difference in how you feel when your schedule is full and your nervous system is stretched thin. Number 1, protect your sleep. It's your anchor. So, sleep is the primary way the body heals and rejuvenates. During the holidays, sleep disruption is common, right? We have late dinners, travel, overstimulation, family, noise. Ayurveda treats sleep as medicine, so we want to take care to be sure that it's deep and rejuvenating. Try giving yourself a little buffer before bed. Dim the lights early. Shut down screens a few hours before bed. Do a quick foot massage with oil or moisturizer. All these can start lulling your body to sleep even before you get into bed. This helps cue your system to shift gears and then to slip into deep sleep more easily when it's actually time to go to bed. When you're well rested, you're well resourced, and you're less likely to snap, you're less likely to get sick, you're less likely to have digestive issues. So sleep, number 1. Number 2, use breath work to reset your nervous system. Breath work is one of Ayurveda's fastest tools for calming the mind. Whether we're jumpy, overwhelmed, overstimulated, taking control of the breath can really shift the energy. You don't need a long practice, just a few slow belly breaths or a few minutes of alternate nostril breathing can help settle your mind quickly. Especially when you're traveling, if you're trying to get ready for a good night's sleep, this can be one of those practices to lull your body into deep rest. If you're feeling pulled in too many directions, breath work can help bring you back to center. So you can think of breath work as a multivitamin for the nervous system, right? Helping you to stay grounded even when things feel chaotic. Tip number 3, choose warm, nourishing drinks instead of more caffeine. When we're tired or stressed, many people reach for coffee or other caffeinated beverages. But the problem is that caffeine often overstimulates just when we need grounding, right? It gives us this false sense of energy that our bodies don't actually have. So rather than go for that, Ayurveda teaches us to support the energy that we do have and not burn through it faster. Instead, we want to opt for simple herbal teas like tulsi, ginger, or licorice. These can all give you warmth and steady energy without that crash afterward that caffeine gives. And warm drinks in general, golden milk, herbal chai, even hot water, can help calm the nervous system and support digestion, which generally takes a hit when we're stressed. So try weaving these practices into your holiday season however you can. And if you want more personalized Ayurveda tools to support digestion, energy, stress levels, my 60-day personalized Ayurveda program is the place to get it. And you can also gift the program or any of my services to a loved one. I'll link to the gift page below, along with a full blog post where I lay out each of these 3 practices. So you can refer to that. I wish you a calm, grounded, nourishing holiday season, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for being here.